Hi dear viewers, it's a boss and you are watching ABC Nature. Salam, Adab, have a wonderful day. This is morning village activities, some pet birds and animal activities under the banyan tree and around. So these are the glimpses what you will watch in the video. Isn't it sweet? A whole lot of puppies. So these are some geese and turkeys and chicken. They are all raging and grazing under the banyan tree. This is the banyan tree, a huge banyan tree. Look at its roots hanging. We call it the beard of the banyan. And this is very sweet turkey couple, a pair, and with them there are a geese couple. They are both of them a little aggressive. I mean, if they don't know you, if you are new and stranger, otherwise they are very sweet and friendly. A lot of chicken and guinea fowls. Now they feel threatened from them, from the geese, and here come the turkey couple, and they are the dons. Look at them, all are leaving. And the pups, sweet pups, a whole lot of them, litter of them. They are 8, so beautiful and cute. They are playing on the sand, and they were coming towards us, but they have spotted their mother coming, and they are turning back and going to their mother, running to their mother. And they want to sit. She is warning us not to trespass, not to come near. Look at them. Aren't they sweet? I'm repeating it. They are so sweet. So this is morning activity in my village. These are pet birds and pet animals. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless you.